Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to add watermarks in your Microsoft Word document. So watermarks in Microsoft Word serve multiple purposes such as marking a document as confidential, a draft, or proprietary to prevent unauthorized use. They also enhance branding by incorporating logos or custom text, ensuring the document's origin is clear. Additionally, watermarks can improve the document's aesthetics or indicates its status in workflow, making them useful for both security and presentation. So therefore, the question becomes, how do we do it? So we should be on the home tab by default, but then you should go to design tab in the ribbon, click on it, and then you'll see an option called watermark at the top right corner. Click on it and you'll see a lot of custom designed watermarks, right? So depending on your need, you can use one of them. Like I can use do not copy, but this is horizontal, but I'm going to use the diagonal one, do not copy. Okay, so click on it. So as you can see, the watermark has been added to this document. Okay, so this is the default way of doing it, but you may custom your watermark. Okay, in order to do that, I'm going to remove the watermark that I have already put there. So click on remove and then go back and custom watermark. So first I will show you a picture watermark. So you may want to add the logo of your organization, for example, and then I'm gonna use a picture or image for a journal. Select picture, and I'm gonna use this from my local drive, this one, and then insert and then click OK. So there you go. This is a logo for a journal, and you can use this using the custom watermark and the image. However, I'm gonna remove this one, and then I'm gonna custom this time custom watermark again, and this time instead of the picture watermark, I'm gonna select text watermark. Let's say this is something that's not in the default design or built-in design, so you're gonna customize your own text. So I'll write journal of biodiversity, and then you have the option of choosing the font. You can choose any font. I'm just keep it the default, and also size. You can make it bigger, or you can make it auto. And then in terms of the color, you may choose the strongest color, or like I'm gonna choose this one, and you can choose the horizontal or diagonal. I'm gonna keep it the diagonal format, and so that and then click OK, and you'll see Journal of Biodiversity watermark has been added in this document. And then finally, as I have showed before, you go to watermark and remove watermark. That's how you delete the watermark from your document. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel.